So when this video gets released, it's gonna be on or close to Christmas. So Merry Christmas. All right, so this property I found in a little neighborhood close to where I live. So the cool thing about flipping land is once you start doing mailings, you find these little pockets of neighborhoods and pieces of land you didn't know existed. And for me, one of those things that I found was a neighborhood where all the lots were 3 acres in size, and it was a gated community, which was really cool. So this property I bought from a landowner out of state, and I originally sent him an offer for $6,346. We got on the phone, we decided on a sales price of $8,500. And then the way we did that, anytime you do that and you make a change, what you can do is you can have them just cross out the number that you wrote in your contract and write the number that you agreed on and mail it back to you and sign it, and then you got a contract that's usable. So once I purchased the property, because I paid closing costs, I was all in for $9,077.28. That's my all-in price after closing costs. So I bought the property. I immediately mailed the neighbors. That's what I always do. I got a couple calls back from the neighbors, but none of them wanted to buy it for my price. So I sent a drone photographer out that I found on Facebook. He took drone pictures, and then I posted it up for sale on Zillow, Trulia, Realtor, all that by using a multiple MLS listing service. I eventually sold the property for $17,000, and after closing costs, I walked away with $16,341.50. So that left me a profit of $7,264.22 on a $9,000 investment. You can't find margins like that in any other investment strategy that I know of. So that's almost 100%. It's ridiculous. So Merry Christmas to me. But the best thing about this property was that I found a neighborhood that I could go back to. So I went back to the neighborhood. I did another mailing like a year or so later, and I found another property, and that's what I talk about in my next video.